My life is good. I'm a happy person with a happy wife, happy children, and a happy dog. We all live in a house and we have cars to drive us to happy places. I take much of what I have in life for granted. I go through each day enjoying things around me, some provided by nature, some made by man. Little thought goes into the role that science played in making my life a happy life. I have a mission today to destroy all of the happiness in my life. It sounds sadistic and sad, but really it will just be me destroying things with my mind. So nobody should get hurt, and when I'm done mind blasting everything around me, I can go back to my happy life and my happy wife, children and dog, and my house and cars that drive me to happy places. But I digress. Now, if I wanted to invent a very clever way to quickly and easily destroy all of the things and people that I find so dear in my life, I would only need to create one thing. Actually, I need to uncreate one thing: chemistry. Now, in order to really screw up my happy life, I'm going to have to uncreate all man-made knowledge of chemistry as well as the chemical processes that happen in nature. Sounds fun, eh? Think about it. That happy wife of mine I mentioned would not be so happy. The reason? Chemistry, or the natural processes that occur in her body that we call chemistry, is responsible for serotonin in her brain. What is serotonin and why does it make my wife happy? Well, I'll save you all the details. But there are more than 100,000 chemical reactions that go on in your brain every second. That's a lot, including the release of serotonin and endorphins and all of these other things that make your body feel happy. In fact, to take it one step further, my wife wouldn't even exist without chemistry. I would have no wife at all. Without the processes of chemistry, her parents' DNA would never have mixed in the incredible chemical processes that create life. In fact, her parents wouldn't even exist. But I digress. Remember my house. Let's dissect all the parts and pieces that would up and disappear if I were to magically uninvent chemistry. Our roof, which I really like because it keeps the rain off our heads, is made of asphalt shingles. Asphalt is a black, crude substance used in paving roads and highways and in making shingles. At the refinery on the edge of town, they take crude oil and turn it into sweet, expensive gasoline. However, gasoline is not the only product that comes out of refining. Complex hydrocarbon structures are converted to many different things: diesel fuel, heating oil, kerosene, and other things, including asphalt base, the stuff that my shingles are made of. If you don't think that all those tubes at the refinery aren't part of one incredibly large chemistry set, then you must be crazy. So, take away my roof, let the sun shine in, and let the rain fill up my basement. There goes my happy home. The wood framing that holds up my happy home, gone. The chemical processes that allow trees to grow from a small germinated seed into a towering ponderosa pine, gone. Oh, and now that all the trees are gone, we can forget about the carbon sequestration, the processes where all those trees and other plants suck carbon dioxide out of the air and make it part of their cells. And lest we not forget that now all the trees are gone, we don't have to worry about CO2 levels and the greenhouse effect and the fact that the earth is going to burn up, because all of the oxygen breathing organisms of the world, us humans, will soon suck all of the oxygen out of the atmosphere and we will die in arguably one incredible chemistry process called asphyxiation. Or more clearly, asphyxiation. The windows of my house, forget it, gone. Glass is made of silicone, an element that is taken from the earth, and in fact, sand is mostly silicon. In fact, the earth is 70% silicon, but because I uninvented chemistry, silicon, the atom with 14 protons, doesn't exist. Bye-bye windows. My beloved grass, and I do love my grass. Don't even get me started. I have wasted more water on that grass and dumped more nitrogen on that grass. Gone. Toilet? Yep, no more porcelain. No more toilet. My happy car? Gone. The happy places it used to take me? Gone. The earth? Gone. The solar system, the big yellow burning sun, and all the happiness it brings to suntanners everywhere? Gone. The shiny pretty stars that shimmer in the night and give young lovers something to gaze at while they hold hands during a cool summer night? Gone. Everything is gone. Catch my drift? It's all gone. And who says chemistry didn't matter?